Hi, I'm Julia from Fora Soft, and we developed Snap Golf. This is an iOS app that helps golfers improve their technique using video recognition technology. Snap Golf records training sessions and group games and then analyzes the footage and draws the exact path of each golf ball. It even keeps recording when the screen is locked, so you never miss a shot. Players can connect cameras to review their footage from different angles, and then after the game is over, they get a full summary and each individual player overview. We also build a custom video player with slow motion and annotation tools. Videos can be saved to user profiles and then downloaded and shared via social media. There are also some extras like pre-game team photo and QR code navigation across the course. We also integrated OTP confirmation for logging and Stripe payment. And that's it for Snap Golf. If you're looking to build a sports tracking app like this, contact Fora Soft. We will help you.